How to set up vertical and horizontal scroll in Figma. So for this, I'm going to be using the food delivery UI. It's a free template that I got from templatefreebies.com. And so yeah, this is going to be just a sample to show you how to use the scroll feature. So let's first make this first part, let's make the home scrollable. So what you want to do is first select the frame and then make it so that it's the exact same dimensions of the phone that we're using. So that's 812. Let's do that. So as you can see, you can still see content that's under here, but that's okay. Here under frame, you can see clip content. You need to select that. Once you're done with that, you need to go to prototype and then go to vertical. And there you go. Let's present this and let's see how it works. Here you go. And there you go. That's the scroll feature in vertical. Now let's reset all of this so I can show you how to do this horizontally. And then move it right here. And what you want to do is grab this, grab the categories, open it up. And each one of these is each one of these right here. It's a subcategory. So what we want to do is grab this and then disable clip content because I want to see what's going on. Let's go desserts right there. Vegan, let's do this. So everything is 15, right? There you go. Once we've done that, we're gonna select all of these. Just place them back here. I don't know why they escaped. We're gonna do that. We're gonna select all of them. Shift A, click clip content. Go to prototype and go to horizontal. And here, as you can see, we can scroll vertically as well as horizontally. And there you go. That's how to scroll vertically and horizontally in Figma. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.